this fish. Not a bad one. 3-pounder. Got a couple hook holes in his mouth, so I'm afraid I'm not the first one to catch him. And that's probably why he was tough to catch. Here, I'll get you back. No problem. Fish. That was pretty cool. That's the female. And that's why that male came up there for a minute. We just had to keep toying until I found the sweet spot on the bed. She came up there, nose down. I checked her. I couldn't tell if she had it or not. She had it, so I just leaned back, got her inside the mouth. Gonna get a quick picture and get her back. I'm super happy to be sight fishing right now. It's been a tough winter. It's been a tough spring on the Mississippi River. Haven't really had a very good spawn, at least for me. Haven't been able to do much sight fishing, so to come to a little lake, the spawn's a little bit further behind, get on some sight fish. This is exactly what I needed. That was cool. It's so hard in this lake. See, that might be the female. Or that was just another bed. Gosh. Either way, pretty cool to throw back in there and get the other fish. That's I'll be back in 10 minutes to catch that fish. Dang it. There's two big ones over there that are spawning together, and I couldn't catch them because they're too busy making love. This one I was messing with for a while. When I came back and stayed a little further back, he bit right away. Yeah, I just barely got her. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. That is quick thinking right there. Oh, she's not as big as I thought. Definitely a female. She's not done dropping eggs, I don't think, but that was sweet. I snapped it and she just, and I got her right as she bit. That's how you get them to react to a jig. Man, got lucky. I don't really like to do that, you know, the Texas rig is a little bit better for landing percentage, but when you got a fish like this that's giving you a hard time, you can just snap it right into their mouth. That's how you put them in the boat. Yes, that's a nice one to end the night on. I worked so hard for that fish. Got darker and darker. Thing gave me fits. Nice long skinny one. That was awesome. So I noticed, you know, as we were losing light there, the fish got better and better locked on the bed, and that's what enabled me to catch that fish. I actually took my sunglasses off because I could see better with my shades off. So cool fish catch, awesome night on the water. That makes me really happy to get some sight fishing done finally after a tough spawn season, and yeah, to be out here close to home catching spawners doesn't get much better than that. Yes. That's a good one. That one eluded me earlier, but elude me no more. The sun got down and that changed the mood of these fish. They just started biting. That's awesome. That's one of the best fish of the day right there. All sight fish, baby. That is what a bonus. I just caught a nice one, thought we were going to end up the night, and I decided to come back over here to this one. I had it hooked earlier and I lost it, and I thought I'd come back and get it. I came back 20 minutes later, still spooky. So I waited until pretty much nightfall, came back, she came right, got super wound up on it, and I got her. Snapped it up into her mouth, she bit it, set the hook. You gotta be really quick with these bedfish. If you can get the bait in position where they're nose down on it, and then snap it into their face, they'll open their lips. You can see that little white flash of their lips opening, and if you see that, set the hook. That's when they got it in their mouth. But it's such a split-second deal. You got to really have the reaction time. That's where braided line helps, and a little bit of a limber rod tip to load that fish. Put him in the boat. It was not the most graceful fish landing, but we got her this time.